on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kicking, dipping, flipping, keep it hunting like a C note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today, I got an amazing smash burger for you guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our burger sauce. And I'm gonna call this burger sauce Dijonnaise because it's pretty much just mayo and Dijon, but I'm using a Grey Poupon Dijon, of course, and Duke's mayo. So that's my mayo and mustard of choice. And then I'm chopping up some good dill pickles in here. Like I said, I pop this sauce on all my burgers and I call it Dijonnaise. So we're gonna say our incredible Dijonnaise. But we're gonna go ahead and chop up our dill pickles. Make sure those pickles are dill and not bread and butter because you want that pungent dill flavor in this burger sauce. But once we get those pickles chopped up, we're gonna go ahead and pop it in our sauce. And then we're gonna mix it up. And you might see the sauce be a tad bit thick because that Duke's mayo is very thick and lovely. But to kind of thin it out a little bit, we're gonna add some of that pickle brine or pickle juice straight out of the jar of the pickles. So make sure you put some of that pickle juice to the side. Once you add that pickle juice, you go ahead and stir it up and just make sure it's at the consistency you would like. If it's too thick, add a little more pickle juice. If it's too thin, just add a little more mayo or a little Dijon, but you get the point. And then second of all, we're gonna go ahead and start on our burgers. But first, we're gonna get our buns toasted up. What I did was I put the buns on my griddle with some butter, and I let the butter go brown. I didn't let it burn, but let it go a tad bit brown, and you'll begin to smell it. It'll begin to smell like very nutty, and that'll give you more depth of flavor when it comes to these burgers. And that's what you want your buns to look like right there. And once those buns look all good and toasty, go ahead and pop them off the grill, and then we'll begin to go on with our burgers. So these are about 1.5 ounce patties. So I got some small buns, so I wanted my patties to be kind of small because we're gonna smash these, and they're gonna be very thin patties, but they're gonna be crispy and good. So once you get those patties on, you put them on in a ball, and then you sprinkle a little salt on there. You can add black pepper as well, but I just sprinkle a little salt. And then once they set for a while, I just went ahead and smashed them down. And when I say set for a while, I mean like maybe 1 or 2 minutes max. Then you go ahead and smash them down because you want that crusty surface area throughout the whole exterior of the patty. And you just let it go. You'll begin to see the juice coming up between the patties, the little holes in the patties. And then you know it's time to flip them. Once you see that, you go ahead and flip them. And as soon as you flip them, I mean like immediately, we'll go ahead and throw our cheese on there. I'm using American cheese for these burgers. You can use cheddar, but I like the melty factor with American cheese, especially with these burgers, because we're gonna go ahead and stack them, and they're gonna be like little miniature double cheeseburgers. So we'll let them go once we get them stacked up, just to let the bottom finish cooking. But these things are super thin that they're already pretty much done. So there you go. I'm just letting it go. Just for those dramatic camera effects. But they are ready. When you see that cheese skirt drip on the side of that burger, you know it's ready. So if you're going to let them go as long as I did, just kind of watch your heat and kind of control it a little bit. But I just want you to see that cheese skirt. So that's why I let them go that long. But then once we finish, we're going to get our buns down. Then we're gonna go with our patties. Look at that. That cheese curd just dripping all over the place. Oh my goodness. And then from the burgers, we're gonna go in with our burger sauce. You're gonna use how much you want, but I just use like a little dollop. Then we're gonna put the top on those. Once we put the top on them, they're finished. Oh my goodness. Look at these amazing smash burgers. I mean, if you know anything about smash burgers, you know they are so incredible, crispy, good, seasoned to perfection. These things are monsters. And like I said, it's only a few ingredients, but we just turned those few ingredients up to the max. So these guys are absolutely amazing. Look at them. I'm just giving y'all kind of angles, man. I just want you to see how beautiful these things are. But man, thank you guys for checking these burgers out. Smash burgers. The most incredible smash burgers. And thank you guys for subscribing, man. We almost at 700 subscribers. I want to appreciate you guys for joining in on this journey, and it's going to be a good ride, man. Thank you guys for always like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash burgers. I'm out.